Welcome back here on Good Day, Kansas. We continue from East Wichita today with Nate from Wichita Homeworks, the president. Thank you very much for being with us today, Nate. One day after Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. How was Christmas with the little guy?
It was good.
It was good?
It was good, yep. Always exciting around the house.
Yeah, I bet, especially this time of the year. It gets lots going on.
Definitely.
Also, lots going on in this house.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit what you guys are doing.
Yeah, so we're doing a pretty large kitchen remodel here on the main floor. And then behind us, we've got a mudroom and laundry area that we're redoing as well. So, yeah, come in here and pretty much gut all the sheetrock out, get all of the utility work done, the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, hanging cabinets, all that sort of things.
Tell us also about the lights.
Yeah, so they had some a little bit older can lighting, and then also a ceiling fan with a light kit in it. We went back with the recessed puck lighting. They're LEDs. They save a lot on your energy bills, and they put out a lot of nice light. Real thin line, slim design. So.
Yeah. Tell us about some of the cabinets and other things that are going on.
Yeah. So we've got some custom cabinets put in. We're going to have a hood range over the range that'll be in here. We'll get some countertops in here, a really cool backsplash we're going to be putting together. Should turn out really nice.
Yeah, it's looking good already. Also, you guys are doing some work in the kind of the mud room / laundry room as well. So what's going on in there?
Yep, similar thing in there. New cabinetry. Redid some of the sheetrock and whatnot. We'll be going through and trimming everything out and painting the walls, and should bring it to a close soon.
Yeah, awesome. So Nate, as you know, timing is everything. Right now, you guys are always never totally slow, but this is maybe a little bit a slower time. Be a great time for someone to get a hold of you guys.
Yeah, this is a great time. We have availability still. Like you said, we're never not busy, but we're also not at our peak time. Okay. And then, just with really the uncertainties of the market and all of that, you never know. So. Well, I always tell people this is probably the cheapest you're going to see it, and you never know what's going to happen past that. So,
yeah, and I feel like this is a time that a lot of people are in their homes with the holidays, with families and stuff. Yeah. Maybe some things that they're seeing that maybe by this time next year you could have something improved.
Oh, definitely, yeah. Yeah, it brings up a lot of good points because you stress the areas that you use a lot. So you stress the kitchen area with lots of people around and cooking lots of food and all that sort of thing. So watch for those things that are pain points, and those are the things that we can help fix.
Yeah, whether it's the kitchen or anywhere else in the home, you guys know where to go. Tell us how people can get a hold of you.
Yeah, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com, or they can give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Awesome. Happy New Year, Nate. Look forward to seeing you more in 2023.
You as well.
Appreciate it. That'll do it for today's show. Hope you can tune in again tomorrow right here at 12:30 on KSN.